Hello and welcome to the channel.
Hello and welcome. This is Dr. Muhammad Shaukat Ansari from your own channel Learn English Language Skills with Shaukat Ansari. For your information with all pleasure, this is my 35th episode, 35th teaching video, and I'm really glad that all of you have appreciated my previous videos, teaching videos. In this exclusive lesson, I would like to discuss comparison of adjectives. Before I go in details, before I march to details, I would like to cite three significant sentences. Mukesh is a strong boy. Second sentence, Mukesh is stronger than Raman. Third sentence, Mukesh is the strongest boy in his class. Now mark the differences. In the first sentence, I have used the adjective in its simple and original form, that is strong. And in the language of grammar, this use is called positive use or positive degree, or you can say positive use of adjective. In the second sentence, at the same time, I have used stronger than Raman. So I have added to that adjective strong er, and after that than. So this adjective stronger in the language of grammar, in the definition of grammar, it is called comparative degree or comparative use of adjective. And in the third sentence, which I cited an example, I have inserted the, and I have used est. I have added est with a strong, and I cited the strongest. Mukesh is the strongest boy in the class. And here the strongest is called, is termed superlative use of adjective or superlative degree of adjective. And here the formulation is that we use est, we add est in order to convert this adjective into superlative. Strong, strongest. In comparative degree, strong, stronger. Happy, happier. Rich, richer. Old, older. But if an adjective is pronounced with more than one syllable, more than one break in pronunciation, there you have to use more in order to convert it into comparative form. For example, beautiful. So beautiful, three syllables, three breaks in pronunciation of this adjective. So when you convert it into comparative form, you have to use more beautiful, more famous, more intelligent, more popular, more handsome, more useful, like this, and after that you have to use THAN, than. So my dear good learners, in this special lesson, my consolidation is on the uses of comparative degree only. So what is the formulation? What are the significant points? What are the functioning factors behind? Number one, you have to use ER with the comparative form of adjective. Strong, stronger. Rich, richer. Old, older. New, newer. And if it is pronounced with more than one syllable, more than one break in pronunciation, it means more beautiful, more intelligent, more popular, more famous, like this, more capable, like this. And after these adjectives, as per requirement ER or as per requirement more, after these adjectives, in order to make comparative degree, THAN, than is used, and it's very significant aspect, integrated aspect of this comparative form of adjective, comparative use of adjective. After that, one very significant point for you is that don't use objective forms of pronouns. I mean, never use him, her, us, me, them, etc. Instead of these, I mean, instead of him, he, instead of her, she, instead of us, we, instead of me, I, in place of them, they. I think you are following me, you are getting my point. So where is my focus? My focus is here right now on the formulation, on the construction of sentences in comparative form. Now it's clear to all of you what is positive degree. Positive degree, where an adjective is used in its simple and original form. What is comparative degree? Comparative degree, where two persons or two things are compared, are contrasted, are brought into comparison. Now I would like to cite some examples for your understanding, for your clear and vivid understanding. He is more intelligent than his brother. It's okay. Why more? Because intelligent has got 3 syllables, 3 breaks in pronunciation. So more. And after that, because you are building this sentence, you are shaping this sentence in comparative form, so THAN, than, and his brother is okay. Another example, he is more smart. He is more intelligent than I, than we. Don't write me or us. Another example, Sita is more famous than he. Don't say than him. Another example, next example, I can cite, he is stronger than we. Don't say than us. So in the next episode, I will be making a dive into the details for your understanding, and I will be tackling comparative degree and superlative degree in details. By then, goodbye, stay blessed, be happy, and keep yourself protected, and keep smiling. Thank you very much. See you.